All right, gang, I got a little something for you today. Time to get a little bit festive. The holiday season is around the corner, and I am going to be dressing up my car just a little bit, have a little bit of fun with it. Simply put, it's made by Bigtime signs, and it is a magnetic car decoration for you to use to make it a little bit festive. It's a nice design here, a three-piece design, so that you can kind of put this on your car, spread it out where you want to, and it is also highly reflective. It's magnetic, so it goes on there easy, but this can be seen at night because it is reflective, so check it out. It isn't just something for the daytime, it's something for the nighttime too. If you're looking for something fun, something easy that you can throw on your car, give it a little festive touch, I think this is something that you're going to want to check out. It's made by Bigtime Signs. Check it out.